and it's in the middle of nowhere.
And there's not a lot of like what we living now. If something happen, attack to them, oh, they're gonna hit, right?
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you're, it's all right, you know, living the dream and living next to the beach, but it's going to get very old very quickly.
Yeah.
And the other thing, depending on what part of the Philippines you live in, there's king cobras. Certainly in Saruma there's king cobras. There's people died being bitten by king cobras. There's sea snakes that are venomous as well. That you've got to be careful. Certain times of year you can't swim because of the jellyfish. And of course you're out in the wilds, and if you have the chances are you're as old as me, at least in your 50s, because I'm nearly 60. I'm 60 April 7th, and you've had a heart attack. I think the chances are it's bye-bye time, because the time it's going to take for the ambulance to reach you for a start and then get back, the nearest hospital's about an hour, I believe. You know, it's pretty much goodbye, I think. And this is what you've got to take into account. If you have medical issues, it's best to settle down near some good medical facilities and not be more than 30 minutes away from them facilities. That's my thoughts anyway. You don't have to listen to me, obviously. It's quite disappointing, isn't it, this year?
People loads.
Yeah, well, I don't think these will be selling flowers in Centro for Valentine's. They must come from somewhere else.
Maybe some, I think they harvest because look, it seems just new plant there.
Maybe.
Look, it's fresh. The soil. Ito ba? Sa kabila. Ang tagal ng duduwag. They just new.
Yeah, that's fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
See, the last time we come out, I'm quite sure it wasn't last year, because it was the start of the pandemic, and there was a lot of bad weather and a lot of these flowers got wiped out. It was the year before, and everywhere were beautiful, just fields and fields full of different flowers. It was amazing. And that's the time when you need a drone, and I'm not asking anybody for a drone for the mentally challenged out there. I'm simply saying it would have been nice to have a drone. But of course, before my other drone flew off, I realised there's not many occasions when you can use the drone. And these drones have to be used regular, otherwise they have issues, as I found out when mine flew off. But that's life in the Philippines. But it's a nice ride coming out here, guys. I should have really worn my other helmet and put the camera on, so you had a ride up here. I keep forgetting I'm going to have to do it. These flowers look a little bit more healthy, Mel. These ones, yeah. Look at her with a cat. There's a cat alone. Yeah, well, cat's not going to hurt you, is it?
Yan, kuya, magkano yan? Ay, kuya, ate. Kuya.
See, she's insulted somebody already. See, I like to support people like this as well, where this is their only and a lot. Celusha.
Her name is Celusha.
Oh, very nice.
Celusha, jealousy, jealous, Celusha.
And how long has Celusha been doing this? How long's she been here? What you just said
is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
I know you don't know, Mel. That's, you know, can you ask?
What you mean?
How long has she lived here? What do you mean? What do I mean?
No, we're talking about the flowers. Her name is
You said her name.
This one, the plants.
So that's a female plant, is it? My God. Well, ask the lady how long she's been living here.
Pero years ka na didi ate? Star.
5 years.
5 years. 5 years.
Yeah. And you like it?
Yeah.
Where did you live before?
Saan ka dapat naka-star dati?
Dati din nakapag-asawa kaya ako ng Lucena. Doon na ako, 2002.
Widow ka na po. Tapos panibago ka naman agong.
Dahil, to...
Ano ka na po ngayon? Single ka na ngayon? She's a widow as already.
And did she find the typhoon a problem? Did the typhoon cause a
Yung
problem?
ano po ate, yung pag may typhoon day, paano yung mga flowers nila?
kang undas,
Nagkarao.
As in talagang...
May ka mong napabag. During what's it called? The All Souls Day, all the flowers destroyed.
Destroyed. I said that at the time on my video. Yeah. So what you after then, Mel? What
You
want?
like this?
Yeah.
Ini ate 50 man eh.
50 na lang.
Ini po ano ning
Sunflower.
50 din.
Sige na. 100 ko tatay.
Ini na lang pong duwa sa kayan sunflower. It's 50 as well. Sunflower. There's no there's no flowers.
Pero maburak na yun.
Sige yun na lang po.
Are you getting that one?
Yeah, this one.
How much is that one? It's about 50. Oh, give a bit more.
Huh?
Give a bit more.
Oh, you're so kind.
Well, that's not a lot of money, is it?
This one, you like?
Huh?
Tugang mo po si Kagawad.
Yeah, ask her how much that one is. That's not. It's all 50. Right, get them three, then we'll give her 200.
Ini pa ate ko rin pa ni
Sige. Tagagyan mo ni Kagawad.
Will you be able to carry these?
Picture na po ka
I
mo.
don't know.
It's alright, we're getting them, but can we carry them?
About this yellow one, you don't want?
Huh?
Yellow one.
Well, get one if you want. I've got another 50.
Sunflowers.
Get the yellow one if you want.
Yellow.
You getting the yellow one as well?
Yeah. So it's 200.
Ate, no, give
Dagdag
it.
niya na da po ini.
Thank you.
Kali 4. Oh, gonna carry that.
I don't know, you wanted to buy.
There's people.
There's lots of people.
There's like.
Ini ma'am, ini na po.
Sige na yun na lang po. Ay, bulak.
It'll be alright if we get them home and they're destroyed because of being on the bike. This is looking a little bit sorry for itself, actually. You'll have to get some plant food, Mal. Plant food. You can get the tablets, like you put in the soil.
Ilagta na lang lugod sa isang sa isang lalagyan para makamotor ka mo.
Because that's looking a bit sorry, babe, isn't it? It's not looking very good. I think I'd choose something else than that, Mal. Just get the purple one. The purple, pink, that's it.
Panda niya na lang dalo ko ate.
Ha?
Pink na lang dalo.
Pink?
Yes, ini.
Get that one. That's.
Papalitan niyo.
This is a nice one. I
This
know
one?
it's the same, but get that because it's growing, isn't it?
No, this.
Okay.
Yung mga similya na yan, pag ini medyo brown na yan, kukuhanin mo na lang yan. Tatanong mo na lang yan. Ini pag mga similya na yan, yun. Tapos yun yung mga...
Itatanong mo lang siya.
Maitom na yan, yung mga maitom na yan. Tanong.
Ano siya garo? Seed?
Oo, seeds.
So can you use them to grow more than seeds?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I'm not a gardener, as you can see, guys. I like plants. I'm not keen on flowers, cut flowers, but I like plants.
Yellow. Bubukan mo na lang po pag-abot.
I got the papers for my motorbike yesterday, and was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And I had to turn my number plate round so I could write on it the number. But then I went to 3 permanent markers I've got, and neither of them worked. They're all dried up because of my house. It's so hot. Sorry, our house. It's so hot. Right, let's go. Are you alright with that? Do you want me to carry it? So yeah, in closing, very disappointing this year, guys. You wouldn't believe how beautiful it was, but it was beautiful the year previous when we come. But this year, I guess they're still getting over the typhoons we've just had and salvaging what they've got, planting more. Because over the other side of the road here, the fields were just full of beautiful flowers. It was amazing.
You see, we got this for 50 pesos.
You what?
We got the sunflower for 50 pesos.
All these were 50 pesos each, guys. We got 4, but I give her 2.50. Aren't I so generous? So, it's over to you then, babe.
Thank you for my Valentine's gift.
That's fine. That's no problem.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye guys.
Hey.
See you on the next video. I rather this one than that normally like it's plants.
Yeah, them flowers, it's best to have a plant.
Yeah.
As long as you don't kill them off.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,